Good morning. I have half a day off at work. I woke up early to write a little bit, and then I'm gonna hop on, do some work, and then hop off, and then continue writing. I'm so sleepy. Let's make matcha. I'm gonna check my beat sheet for a little bit. I came into this sprint thinking I'm not gonna be able to finish it, but I finished it. I wrote about 260 words in about 15 minutes. I'm not even done yet, but I've done the chapters, so that's good. And by the way, breaking up your characters is just so heartbreaking. Even if you're a writer, you know where the story is going. Getting into a part where you're actually going to tear them apart tears you apart as well. Or is it just the empath in me? Anyway, let's keep going. I am currently into 30,792 words. I wrote 368 words. I'm still not done. Like, I still have about 5 minutes into the session, but I think I'm gonna end it early. Yeah, I want to decompress a little bit and then do work because I have to start about 9 o'clock, and then after that we're gonna continue with the writing. Yeah, that's my little writing check-in, and then I'm gonna come back and then do some more with you guys. Okay, bye, see you later. My order of new batch of matcha from Matcha Miyako came in today. I'm so excited to open it. It's 5,000 yen, so that's about less than 50 Canadian, and it's about 100 grams. It's 100 grams total matcha. There's different types. I think I have aorashi, wako, and yugen matcha. But let's open it and see what we have. Funny too, I just emailed this company because it took about 2 weeks for it to arrive. When I checked the tracking, it says that the package is still in Osaka, and I'm like, bro, what's happening? And then it came today, so that's crazy. Ooh, straight from Japan, baby. We have like a little, pamphlet. It's very nice. I mean, I know how to make it, but it's nice to include that. We do get 40 grams of the aorashi from Maruki Kiyamaen. Nice, nice. And they're currently sold out right now, so I'm happy that I got my hands on one of these. I have yugen. I'm actually particularly excited to try this one because not a lot of people on TikTok use yugen, so I'm pretty excited. Lastly, we have 20 grams of wako. So I'm actually pretty happy that I got all these matcha powders because I only have about 80 grams of the ikuyu left from Ippudo. Alright, back to work.
My nail extension.
No!
My appointment won't be until next week too, so I'm gonna have ugly ass hands for quite a bit. Ugh.
So, I'm done work. I don't really feel like going to writing anytime soon because my brain is kind of fried right now. Even though it's not that busy at work, but I just feel like I wanna chill. Maybe. Or maybe go to the gym. Ooh, maybe I should go to the gym. Yep, I'll go to the gym. I'll go to the gym. I'm off to the gym. I'm not gonna bring you because it's kind of weird. I don't want to film myself doing a vlog at the gym. It's just not me. But maybe I'll do like a little selfie after, you know. I'll see you in a little bit. Bye. Mood lights make it better. Yeah. And of course, I have Frankie. Okay, my first 15 minutes of the sprint is done. That was just a warm-up for me. As for the progress, I think I wrote about 198 words for the first 15 minutes, which is not too bad. I feel like right now I'm just kind of zoning out. The thing with working full-time and writing part-time is that your brain at the end of the day is just too tired. So, you know, it's hard, but we're gonna keep pushing for this first draft. And that's it for today. I pretty much wrote 1.4 words today in total. I think it's a good writing day. I think writing in the morning helped a lot. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog anyway. It's my first time doing one. I'm already gonna spread myself too thin if I do this regularly, but maybe I can do one like once every 2 weeks just to do my writing update. Maybe I'll think about it. Maybe uploading twice a month regularly as some sort of an accountability thing. I hope you guys follow me on my social media. I have an Instagram. I'm gonna link it in the description. I don't know if you want to follow, you know, give it a try if you want to. Anyways, bye guys.